Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm excited to be taking you through how to check any Samsung Galaxy phone's battery percentage health-wise. Now, usually on any Samsung phone, the best you get at this is to scroll down, go into settings, scroll all the way down into device care, tap on that, scroll down again and go to diagnosis. Then you go into phone diagnosis and you're greeted with a page like this. On this page, the best you can get is battery status, where you find out the life of the battery, and it will state just good, and then it's going to tell you normal and tell you the capacity of the battery. But what if I told you there's a way to know the actual percentage of battery left? Well, without much ado, let's dive right into today's video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and let's give this video 200 likes to help the algorithm push the video forward and also to encourage me to keep producing content like this. Let's go. So what you want to do is to tap on the call application, then tap on these *#9900#. You're going to be greeted with the system dump page. So what you're going to be going to do now is to go to run dump state logcat. So you're going to tap on that and you're going to wait. This is going to take a bit of time, so you just wait. Here's copying logs. Just keep waiting until you see this dump result. Then you hit on OK. In order to copy this file, you have an option here as copy to SD card, include CP RAM dump. You're going to tap on that even if you don't have an SD card, and then you're going to wait. Now what this is doing is it's copying all the system dump data and it's going to create one text file that has everything inside it. Once you get this very screen, you're going to hit on OK. Now what you're going to do is look for a text file reader that is able to read that file. And to do that, we're going to go back here and then into the Play Store and look for a particular application. So into the Play Store, then we're going to search for the application called Log. So this very application is what we're going to use, Log Viewer. You're going to select that and install. Once it's done installing, you're going to hit on Open. And when you're here, you're going to look for that file that was that dump file that was created, the text dump file. You're going to hit here. Yes, so enter here and then look for logs. Then once you're in logs, you're going to search for the word dump state. You can proceed to do dump state underscore and then the model of your phone. But if you don't know the model of your phone, you can, after type in that, just come down here, scroll through until you find dump state, which is going to be right about here. So we can see dump state and then underscore the phone. To ensure that you have the right file, you want to look at the time it was produced, which in this case is this very file. So you tap on it and you wait. Now, when you're inside, this is what you want to type or search for. You want to search for by hitting the search M, capital S, saved, and then battery, ASOC. Then you search this and wait. You can hit on OK, the closest. So when you scroll down now, you're going to see here written boldly there, the percentage of your battery. So this is how to get the exact percentage of your battery health wise. And also you can do this for all the phones. That's the S series, A series, M series, all the Samsung Galaxy phones. This will work on it. You can try it. Give me in the comment section the percentage of your battery life, and let's try to give this video 200 likes to help push the channel forward by the algorithm and also encourage me to keep producing content like this. If you like this video, share it also to a friend, but don't forget to subscribe as it's free and would just help me a lot. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.